Hey everybody, Adam Christofferson, Winnebago Towables. Thanks for joining us today. We are in the 2018 Mini Drop 170S. Before we go into some of the highlights of the 170S floor plan, let's talk about some of the features and highlights of the Mini Drop product overall. We did change the name to Mini Drop from Winnie Drop, getting that into the Mini family with the Micro Mini, Mini Plus travel trailer, and Mini Plus fifth wheel. What's unique about the Mini Drop is it is a 6.5 foot wide trailer, teardrop, very unique style, not a traditional box. It has that solid one-piece fiberglass roof, very easy to tow. All floor plans coming in around 3,000 pounds or lighter, some ranging from slide rooms to non-slide rooms. But what's unique is, again, saying easy to tow, is it's 6.5 foot wide box, but so you can have good visibility around your tow vehicle and those weights. You don't have to have a big truck. You can have your mid-range SUVs as well. But the tires are mounted on the outside, so you have 8 foot wide stability. So 6.5 foot wide box, great visibility, easy for towing, but 8 foot wide stability with those tires mounted on the outside. Some things we did, we wanted to really simplify it. So we made the power tongue jack standard. We made the power awning standard with the LED lights there. You've got standard outside speakers. Your interior TV went standard. So really not a lot of options anymore on this product line. Really the one big options besides our 8 beautiful colors on the outside, which we'll touch on, is you can get a 14-inch or standard, or the optional 15-inch tires with a little bit of off-road package. So what that does is Norco does something with our frame. We use that NXG BAL frame. It's that upgraded huck bolted frame, which we've hit on other videos. It's not a welded frame, it is an upgraded huck bolted frame from Norco, the BAL. But what they do particularly for us is on this there's 3 pinholes where the axles are there, the tires are there. So what we can do is, if your unit is built with 14-inch tires or 15-inch tires, you can raise and lower those pinholes, switch the tires out. Very easy to do. A lot of other manufacturers, you either get it with one chassis that's built for the standard tires or the other chassis built for the off-road kit. So it's a nice, unique feature that Winnebago and Norco offer there. So before we come inside here to really hit on some of the features, I do want to talk about, I mentioned our 8 beautiful exterior colors. You've got the platinum, the cherry, the champagne, the blue, white, hunter, yellow, and orange. It is that high gloss gel coat from Crane. It is a T60 composite. It is a high gloss gel coat, highest grade of fiberglass in the industry, so really sets us apart with our beautiful exterior colors there. So now we'll hit on some of the interior highlights here in the Mini Drop 170S floor plan. Alright, now we're going to hit on some of the interior highlights of the Mini Drop 170S floor plan and Mini Drop segment overall. Some of the great debate in this segment is slide room, no slide room, wet bath versus dry bath, which we'll hit on. But as you can see here, I'm in the kitchen galley area. We do have our kitchen galley area here in a slide room. So you've got your sink, your dual burner range there, microwave and refrigerator, all in a slide room, which will open up the living area here nicely. And then also you've got your dinette on the patio side overlooking your campsite, which this dinette will convert down into additional sleeping if needed. And your table here with the collapsible legs, also nice, will fit out that entrance door so you can take it on your patio side underneath that power awning, which we talked about there. So up front we will have a full-size sleeper in this particular floor plan with standard USB charge ports. Again, with this being a smaller unit, we have nice sized windows for that cross ventilation and natural light coming in. Another thing you may notice that we have transitioned to and changed throughout the 2018 model year is going to this lighter color wood. The Winnie Drop product used to have a darker color wood to it, but again, wanting to make this smaller trailer look a lot bigger than it is or feel a lot bigger and get it into the branding of the Minnie family, we have gone to the lighter color wood, but we have nice textured glass inserts there above the dinette and also in the range or kitchen area, so give you guys a nice finish there. Nice soft white LED lighting to again open that up or make it seem brighter in here, less drain and draw on batteries, and cooler. So again, I mentioned earlier about the another great debate of the Minnie Drop product is a wet bath versus dry bath product, our floor plan. We'll go ahead and take a look at the bathroom in the 170S. This is a particular is a dry bath, so we'll talk about the differences there here in just a minute. Alright, we're in the bathroom area of the 170S Minnie Drop. This particular one is a dry bath, so the dry bath meaning your toilet, your shower, and your sink are all separate. You will get a nice medicine cabinet for storage above the sink, below the sink as well, and in this particular floor plan you do have an additional storage area cabinet right above the toilet there. So again, I mentioned the great debate versus wet bath and dry bath. This dry bath will give you a larger bathroom area, but it does have to steal from the living galley area, so hence having a slide in here makes it nice. The wet bath will give you your toilet, your shower, your sink kind of all in one. In particular, sometimes that sink will collapse down or fold down from the wall, but again, you know, consolidating that space in the bathroom then rewards you more living space. So again, that's why we call that the great debate in this product, the dry bath, wet bath, slides, non-slides. So it'll be fun, you guys taking the opportunity to shop that and making the decision for yourself. Alright, in wrapping up our Minnie Drop segment here, the 170S floor plan, I want to recap some of the highlights and build qualities from Winnebago Towables. You know, we already touched on the frame that we're using is the upgraded frame, that huck-bolted Norco NXG frame. Hit on that upgraded exterior fiberglass with our 8 vibrant colors that we offer. But we also do a lot of things differently when it comes to build as well. We're not cutting corners because this is technically our lower level product. It is going to be built with solid tongue and groove plywood floors versus an OSB particle board. That is residential style. We've got all the aluminum framing for your structure. We've got that one-piece fiberglass roof that we talked about earlier. You know, we don't do the fiberglass on the front and the back and then give you the TPO up front, so we give you the solid one-piece sheet fiberglass roof from front to back. When you come inside, you will have the solid wood frames and faces here versus that compressed particle board. So overall, you know, the life going down the road and withstanding the rigors of the road there. Within that aluminum tubing, we also, wherever these cabinets and everything are mounted to, we're going to go ahead and insert the plywood backers inside the aluminum, so that way when everything is tied down, you get a stronger tie down into the sidewalls there. So thank you for joining us today for the Minnie Drop 170S. Be sure to check out WinnebagoIND.com for all of our other floor plans, features, and trailer fifth wheel options there.